friends. My name is Miss Liz, and I'm going to be doing some music therapy with you today. So, without further ado, let's start with our hello song. Miss Liz, that's right. Hello, 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 Miss Liz. Hello, 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 Miss Liz. Hello, 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 Miss Liz. It's nice to see you today. Hello, hello, it's time for music. Hello, hello, it's time for music. Hello, hello. It's time for music today. All right, awesome job. So for this session, we're going to start with a couple songs I think you already know. We're going to do If You're Happy and You Know It to start off with, to get all of our sillies out and to get all of our shakes and wiggles out. So you're just gonna follow what I say, and then we're gonna go along with it together, okay? Clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Ready for the next one? If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. Did you stomp your feet? Awesome job. Now for our next verse. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. Now for the trickiest verse. Just follow along with me and I'll guide you through it. If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Clap, clap, stomp, stomp, hooray. If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Clap, clap, stomp, stomp, hooray. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, do all three. Clap, clap, stomp, stomp, hooray. Great job, friends. That was a really great job at this song. So next, I want you to find something that you can shake around, maybe like a shaker or maraca or something, and we're gonna shake together in this next song, and we're gonna do a little bit of math. So it's gonna be a little fun. So I'm gonna get my shaker. Okay, for this one, I want you to just follow along with what I do, just like the last song. Okay? Let's begin. 5 green and speckled frogs sitting on a hollow log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum! 1 jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are, if we had 5 and we took away 1, how many do we have left? 4. Good job. 4 green and speckled frogs sitting on a hollow log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. 1 jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are, we had 4 and we took away 1. How many do we have left? 3. Great job. Nice math. 3 green and speckled frogs sitting on a hollow log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. 1 jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are, if we have 3 and we take away 1, how many do we have left? 2. Great job. 2 green and speckled frogs sitting on a hollow log, eating the most most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are, if we had 2 and we take away 1, how many do we have left? 1. Great job. One green speckled frog sat on a hollow log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are, how many do we have left? If we had 1 and we take it away, how many do we have left? None. All done. All of our speckled frogs are gone. That was some nice math you did with me. Now we're going to move into a feeling song. It's just called the feeling song. It's something that I made up myself. So I'm going to get my guitar. And for this song, we're going to be identifying emotions. So I'm going to present you with an emotion and you're going to come up with something that goes along with it, okay? And I'll guide you through the entire thing, okay? Let's begin. Happy. Laugh. Yeah, that's a great one. So we could say, when I start to feel happy, I laugh a lot just like this. Ha ha ha. Now we're going to move on to another one. My body has lots of stomp on the ground, yeah. Stomp just like this. So we could say, when I start to feel angry, I stomp around just like this. Stomp, stomp, stomp. My body has lots of feelings. I have lots of feelings in me. When I start to feel scared. What's something we can do when we're scared? Scream. Yeah, I would scream if I was scared too. So we could say, when I start to feel scared, I scream a lot just like this. Ah! So now we go, my body has lots of feelings. I have lots of feelings in me. When I start to feel sad. What's something we can do when we're sad? Cry. Yeah. So we could say, when I start to feel sad, I cry a lot just like this. Wah, wah, wah. My body has lots of feelings. Oh, I have lots of feelings in me. My body has lots of feelings. Oh, I with that one. That was a great exercise to identify emotions and identify what we do when we have that emotion. So that was a great exercise. Next, we're gonna do another favorite that I think you might like. It's called The Wheels on the Bus, so you might already know it. I'm gonna put my guitar away. This one is another motion movement song, so I want you to just follow along with everything I do with my motions, okay? Sounds good. Okay, so first we're gonna go like this for our wheels on the bus. We're gonna move them round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The driver on the bus goes move on back, move on back, move on back. The driver on the bus goes move on back, all through the town. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The baby on the bus goes wah, 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 wah. The baby on the bus goes wah, 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 all through the town. The parents on the bus go shh, 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 shh. The parents on the bus go shh, 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 all through the town. And finally, the wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Great job! That was a great movement song. We got to move our bodies around a little bit and dance, and it was more structured. So now we're gonna do another one that is a little bit more structured, but it'll give you more time to move around and dance. So this one is called Shake and Move by Paddy Shukla. It's a great song. I recommend that you look it up if you haven't already known this song. So I'm just gonna sing it and we're gonna do the dance moves as I sing it, okay? Sounds great. Wiggle your fingers, blink your eyes. Wiggle your fingers, blink, blink, blink. Move your hands side to side. Move your hands side to side. Shake your hands, 1, 2, 3. Shake your hands, shake with me. Shake, 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 shake. Touch your ears, touch your nose, touch your mouth and chin below. Move your head all around, move your head all around. Shake your hands, 1, 2, 3. Shake your hands, shake with me. Shake, 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 shake. Pat your knees, pat, pat, pat. Move your shoulders up and down. Move your shoulders up and down. Shake your hands, 1, 2, 3. Shake your hands, shake with me. Shake, 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 shake. Clap your hands, clap, clap, clap. Clap your hands, clap, clap, clap. Move your feet back and forth. Move your feet back and forth. Shake your hands, 1, 2, 3. Shake your hands, shake with me. Shake, 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 shake. Shake your hands, 1, 2, 3. Shake your hands, shake with me. Shake, 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 shake. Now we're gonna move our entire bodies all around and we're gonna shake, okay? So I'm gonna do the entire next verse again. Shake your hands, 1, 2, 3. Shake your hands, shake with me. Shake, 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 shake. Awesome. I'm glad we got to have a little bit of a movement break together. That was really fun. Now, we're going to finish off with one last song. You might know it. It's called Shake It Off by Taylor Swift. And this one, we're just going to do a free dance, where you're going to dance however you want, and I'm just going to play the song, and you're going to be able to listen to it. So, it should be fun. Let me get my guitar. And I'm just going to start in the middle. It's going to be good. So don't forget, you can get up and move around and dance and do whatever you want during the song. It'll be great. All right. But I keep cruising, can't stop, won't stop moving. It's like I got this music in my mind saying it's gonna be all right. At first we're gonna play, 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 play. Then we're gonna shake, 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 shake. I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake. Shake it off, shake it off. First we're gonna play, 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 play. Then we're gonna shake, 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 shake. I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake. Shake it off, shake it off. 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 First we're gonna play, 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 play. Then we're gonna shake, 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 shake. I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake. Shake it off, shake it off. 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 First we're gonna play, 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 play. Then we're gonna shake, 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 shake. I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake. Shake it off, shake it off. 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 First we're gonna play, 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 play. Then we're gonna shake, 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 shake. I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake. Shake it off, shake it off. 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 That was a little weird at the end, but yeah, that was a great song that we got to share together again. Nice job on those dance moves. So, we had a great time in music today, but unfortunately music time is done. So, we're going to do the goodbye song now. Okay. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye to you, goodbye, goodbye, goodbye to you, goodbye, goodbye, goodbye to you. It was nice to see you today. Who am I again? Miss Liz, that's right. Goodbye, 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 Miss Liz, goodbye, 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 Miss Liz, goodbye, 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 Miss Liz. It was nice to see you today. Goodbye, goodbye, music time is over, goodbye, goodbye, music time is over, goodbye, goodbye, music time is over, music is done today. I hope you enjoyed your session today. We had a lot of fun doing a lot of dance moves and identifying emotions and just shaking our sillies out, basically. So great job, and great job on the math too on Green and Speckled Frog. That was a little difficult, I gotta say. So I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I hope you enjoyed this. Bye.